guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys in another beautiful colorful makeup tutorial. I mentioned in my previous video that I did want to continue doing these colorful looks and just play around with makeup for a little bit. So today I woke up really inspired by blue for some reason. I think it's because I am leaving to Miami next week, which I am super excited about. I haven't been to Miami in like 4 years, so I am just super excited to be back and just relax and have just a break from everything. I also have my hair pushed back super tight right now because I feel like every time I do these colorful looks, I really want the eyeshadow to show, so I don't really like having my hair down. And also it gives you like an instant face lift, okay? So your face just looks hella snatched to the gods. So I am living for it, and I hope you guys are too. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this makeup look, then just please keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are just going to jump straight into this video. I am going to be going in with this Profusion palette. I will list it for you guys down below in the description box. I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush, and just like my previous video, this is very similar to what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be taking first a light blue, baby blue eyeshadow, as you guys see here, and I'm going to be applying this all over the inner part of the eye, which is going to be the crease, the lid, and the inner corner. I'm also going to gradually blend that baby blue shade down on the lower lash line of the inner corner as well. Still working with that Profusion palette, I'm going to be taking this blue shade and applying it right on the center next to that baby blue shade we just finished blending out with a clean blending brush as well. I am going to try my best to pack these eyeshadows as much as possible to get the most pigmentation out of them. And I'm also going to go in with a clean pointed blending brush to apply that same eyeshadow down the lower lash line next to that baby blue shade we just finished applying as well. Moving on to the James Charles palette, I am going to be using those 3 blue mattes from that eyeshadow palette. And first I'm going to be taking that lightest blue. Lightest blue, is that even a word? Lightest blue, I think it is. I could be wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I am going to be using a clean blending brush once again and packing this right next to that other blue shade we just finished applying, and also applying this right down our lower lash line, blending all of those blues together. Next, moving on to this even darker blue shade, I'm going to be packing this again right on the outer corner, blending everything very seamlessly together and applying it also down on the lower lash line. I do like to blend all of these eyeshadows in packing and circular motions very gently. I think that is the most effective way to successfully blend eyeshadows. You never want to be super rough when blending because that is just a bad sight, okay? So just blend very lightly and softly. And the next last shadow we're going to be using for this look is this deeper blue, and we're really going to pack this right on the outer corner, making that cat eye effect, connecting it to the lower lash line. I did not realize I was not recording during this part, you guys, so that's why you guys don't get to see the full on blending process, so I do apologize for that. I'm so sorry. Next, I'm going to go in with a brightening powder right underneath that lower lash line, right under that cat eye effect, to brighten up those blues and to clean up that area. Next, I'm going to be using this LAGirl Cosmetics neon liner, and as you guys see here, it is super vibrant, very pigmented and bright. I love it. These eyeliners stay on all day. I really do love them, and they're super cheap, you guys, so definitely go check them out. I am going to be adding liner to my top lash line, but it is optional. I just feel like I have to have it with all of my looks, and it just pulls the whole look together, in my opinion. I am going to be adding a black shadow right on top to smudge the liner as well as set the liner as well. For lashes, I am going to go in with these Golden Paradise lashes in the style Feeling Extra. They just launched, so make sure you guys also go check them out. These lashes are absolutely stunning, and of course Feeling Extra is my favorite lash style. I am going to go back in with that black eyeshadow, and I'm going to be adding this right underneath that neon liner we just applied, really tight on that lash line. And we are going to add a little bit of glitter. This one is from Too Faced Cosmetics. Again, I will list all of the products down below as well as the name of the products in the description box. But I am going to be adding this with a very detailed brush right on that inner corner on the lower lash line. Moving on to the face, I am going to be using this Mercier translucent powder. This one is in the pressed powder, not the loose powder. I did talk about this in my last previous video, but I will also make sure to list it for you guys down in the description box. I am just packing this on with my damp beauty blender. I feel like this just makes it super bright and pigmented all underneath the eye area. Next, I'm going to be moving on to this Pretty Vulgar bronzer, which I absolutely love. This one is in the shade 120. Moving on to blush, of course, I'm going to go in with my absolute favorite blush at the moment. This one is from MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Telling Glow. I still don't know if this blush is discontinued. I keep hearing that it is. I keep hearing that it's not. I have personally not done very much research, to be completely honest. So if you guys know, definitely let your girl know. Next, for highlight, I'm going to be using this Glazed Donut highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. This one is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. For lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner in the shade Nutmeg, and this is from NYX Cosmetics. This is my absolute holy grail. Next, for this lipstick, this one is from Too Faced Cosmetics. This one is Cool Girl, my OG, my favorite. I just love it, hands down. And I'm just going to be using pretty much any gloss, to be completely honest with you. Just any nude gloss will do the job, okay? So, and last but not least, I am going to be spraying this Pixie Rose Glow Mist all over my face to blend everything together and to melt all of the powders into my skin. Alright guys, that concludes this entire video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got to learn a little bit of things here and there. I honestly really enjoy doing voiceovers now. I feel like it makes the video go a lot quicker, and I feel like it's a lot more easier for me to do. And also, a lot of you really don't like watching long ass videos. I know the majority don't, but some of you really do. But that's just how YouTube works, you know. So I feel like voiceovers are a lot quicker for videos to go through. So I might be doing them a little bit more here and there throughout my channel, but of course I will still be having talk through videos. I love talking to you guys, so obviously love those. But other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel and just me in general. I am just super thankful for you guys, and I love you again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.